Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. My name is Al Lucchino. Many of you have seen me. I'm the owner of Harley-Davidson of Danbury. It's a 30-year family-owned business located right here on Exit 7 off Federal Road. We're open Tuesday through Friday, 10 to 6, and we're open Saturdays, 10 to 4. Come visit us. Now, again, welcoming you to our virtual showroom. I've got some of the very best new and certified pre-owned Harley-Davidsons, CF Motos, off-road, CF Moto street bikes. We carry both brands at our dealership. Now, what I want to show you today is a 2024 Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide Ultra Trike. And what I want to do is I want to walk you through the general and standard features of this trike, and then I want to talk to you about the specific add-ons and special features that make this 2024 something extra special. Now, we have a vehicle here, a trike, Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide. It's the Ultra, so it's top of the line. You've got the Tour Pak. This has the luggage rack. It has a trunk, lots of luggage storage space. But when we're talking about a trike, this has the twin-cooled cylinder heads. So we've got liquid-cooled cylinder heads that you don't see. They're hidden in the fairing lowers. Allows Harley-Davidson to bump the compression an extra half a point, so we get a boost in mid-range torque. We've got the Milwaukee 8-valve engine, 114 cubic inches here. Lots of power, lots of performance, and lots of reliability, backed up by a 6-speed transmission with a belt final drive. So it's quiet, clean, virtually maintenance-free. Now, this trike also has traction control. It's got disc brakes all around. It's got anti-lock brakes. But when we talk about a trike, and why it's so easy and beneficial for you to ride a Harley-Davidson trike is there's two critical elements that need to be discussed here today. The first is, with a trike, you have no tip-over risk. So we can ride a big, comfortable touring Harley-Davidson, and you're not going to fall over. So the three wheels keep us planted, keep us stable. Stop signs, traffic lights, no problem. No tip-over risk with the three-wheeler. Now, there's another great feature. We've got an electrically operated reverse on that. You press the hand control, the reverse light goes on, you hit it again, and the electric motor backs this up effortlessly. So you don't have to push a big heavy touring bike. You can park it nose into a curb, back it off the curb. If you're parking on a main street area, back it out of your garage. You just don't have to push. It doesn't get any easier. So that's what makes this so exciting. Now, this trike was sold new. It's a 2024. It's got about 6,700 miles on it, and it sells for just under $37K. It can be financed with approved credit. We've got multiple banks in addition to Harley credit here at Harley-Davidson Danbury, so we can get many, if not most, of our customers approved with terms and conditions that make the vehicle affordable and fit your down payment and monthly payment budgets. Now, what's been added on to this, it makes it nice. So we've got 6,700 miles. We've got beautiful, professionally done optional gray and blue pinstriping throughout, on the fairing, on the fender. Just beautifully done. We've got the chrome luggage rack. We've got a chrome bumper on the back. We've got chrome trim on the back of the fenders and chrome trim on the sides of these rear fenders as well. In addition, when I walk around the front, I want to point out the highway pegs and the chrome trim on the passenger floorboards. This is a beautifully appointed bike. We've got standard, comes from Harley-Davidson, the Daymaker style headlights and passing lamps. We've got GPS. We've got AM/FM radio. It's upgradable to satellite radio. It's also can be you can stream Bluetooth from your phone if you have iTunes into this. So you've got the full capable electronic suite. A lot of my customers like the GPS on these trikes because if you're riding with a group and you don't want to go further, just program your home address in and you can break off from the group no matter where you are. If you're in unfamiliar territory, get yourself home. So again, we've got an immaculate vehicle, serviced and sold when new by Harley-Davidson of Danbury. It's a fantastic vehicle. And I want to point out, behind me is the Harley-Davidson of Danbury Muscle Factory, our DynoJet 250i. We do a lot of hot rod work, including hot rod trikes here at Harley-Davidson of Danbury. We're also a factory-authorized Zippers Performance dealer. We do a lot of work with Zippers Performance and build a lot of their bikes with their parts and kits. And last but not least, We're also a factory authorized Jekyll and Hyde multi-mode exhaust dealer. That means 3 modes electronically controlled from the handlebar. This Tri-Glide has systems available from Jekyll and Hyde for it as well. So you get quiet, medium, and loud, all electronically controlled at the handlebar with the touch of a button. So come on down to Harley-Davidson of Danbury. Let's take this trike for a ride. This is a spectacular, beautiful condition trike. One of the best pre-owned trikes you will find anywhere. There's not a mark on it, and it's got some gorgeous accessories, and it looks even better in person. So come on down to the dealership, say hello to me, and let's take this for a ride. And remember, you can find this video on TikTok. You can find it on YouTube, and you'll be able to find it on Facebook across various media channels. Otherwise, just come on down to 51 Federal Road, and you can see the trike there. Thanks for watching.